Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Our destination today is the Casa Sant'Andrea. Our walk begins in the Piazzale Roma, where the airport buses from Venice Marco Polo Airport and Treviso Airport arrive. Behind you, across this rather somewhat busy little street here, you're going to have to cut across to the other side. And you'll see ahead of you, you'll see a parking garage and the People Mover station. The People Mover is an automated tram that goes to the Dronchetto parking garage and the Maritima cruise terminals. You're going to walk to the corner and cross at the red crosswalk. And again, watch out for traffic. It's supposed to stop, but sometimes they're not attentive. After you've crossed the street to the People Mover station, bear left past the People Mover station, then walk to the corner. Follow the lady in the purple hat. And once you reach the corner, just turn right and walk straight ahead under the People Mover tracks. You can follow the crowd here. And again, the lady in the purple hat. And pretty soon, as you near the end of this center pavement, you'll see some steps. Take the first steps. You'll save having to go down 4 steps because there's only 3 here. 1, 2, 3, and go straight ahead to the corner. At the corner, right after the sign that says Casa Sant'Andrea, turn right and walk past the ACTV Vaporetto stop along the fondamenta here, or the pavement next to the canal. And you see the Casa Sant'Andrea directly ahead of you. The entrance has flags overhead and is clearly marked with a plaque. And here we are at the Casa Sant'Andrea. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.